Good morning everyone, it's Chris O. I'm a tiler. I have been a professional tiler for 35 years. This is the job I'm doing at the moment and it's Monday morning. We've had the weekend. I've been working on this now for 2 days. What I'm going to be doing today is putting in those cuts along the doorway there. I need to, this sliding door, I need to trim that track. See that? The tile won't fit under there, so I'll just put the grinder and cut that aluminium slightly, 3 or 4 mil up, and then I'll put the door back in. Easy peasy. So what I'm going to do is do these cuts, and these ones here, and then I'll grout the whole floor. Then the furniture can come over into the middle and I'm able to carry on into there, under the stairs, and the dining room area and into the kitchen. So then the dishwasher will be coming out. We'll move the fridge. I want to do the toe kick there. They're going to have a new front. All their drawers and cupboard doors are going to be replaced after I've finished, which is cool. So I'll have this grouted up shortly, like this morning, and then while I'm waiting for the furniture to be put in the middle, I'll then carry on in this bathroom area. On Friday I did 1 coat of waterproof. I'm going to be replacing these sheets and trimming out for the niche today, so it's all cool. I'm going to be filling in this gap with Ardit, so it's quick set, quick dry, and then I can waterproof it nicely once I've put those sheets back in. So that's my plan for today. I want to try and tile some of this hallway floor as well. So that's cool. I'll put the camera away now, get cracking. I have a lot to do, and I'll turn it on once I'm up and running, and then I'm able to show you what I'm doing. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm out every 2 days. There's a lot to learn. Buckle yourselves in, because we're off for a humongous ride. See ya. Bye.